Hey guys, it's Karen Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the best affiliate programs for beginners. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews like this to let you know what products I think are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money online. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. This is one of the best affiliate programs, I think, for beginners because of the training that it has with it, as well as the compensation plan that would allow you to make residual income, which is really, really important. Okay, so the program I'm going to tell you about is called Builderall. And let's talk a little bit first about the product and then about the affiliate program. So the product is a complete digital online business builder and marketing platform. It has so many things included. I'm still finding things. So just kind of an overview. You're going to be able to build websites. You're going to be able to build blogs, sales funnels. And this is a really good alternative to ClickFunnels if you don't want to pay $97 a month. This is much less. Okay, you can create your own website here with physical products. And you can have Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics set up on your site. It has email marketing included with it. Create your own sales funnels, create your own webinars. You have Facebook Messenger chatbot integrations, education tools. You can integrate it with all these platforms. You can create 3D images. You can create animated videos, as well as floating videos for marketing. There's this script generator tool, social proof tool, sales funnels. Again, there's a lot of sales funnels, BuilderAll community. You can create a coupon system for Amazon if you sell Amazon products. And then again, the affiliate platform. That's what we're going to be talking about. And so people have had really good success with the affiliate program because it's a tool that everyone needs, and it's all inclusive, so it has everything in it that you would need as far as marketing. So let me just go over the pricing. The first package is $9.90, and that's just basically you get a builder with that, and you can connect a domain. The $29.90 is you also get professional email marketing with it, the BuilderAll apps, unlimited pages and domains, up to 15 domains. And this would be if you do not want to be an affiliate, if you just wanted to use it for building sales funnels and all the builders as well as the email marketing. But if you want to be an affiliate, which I would recommend, it's $49.90 per month, and you get all of these things here, a lot more than you do with the $29.90. You get the Facebook Messenger chat box, the webinar, the affiliate marketplace, and then again, you have the ability to market this, and the affiliate compensation plan I'm going to talk about in a minute, but you get paid on all of your direct sales 100% commissions the first month, and then after that you get paid 30%, but it's a two-tier affiliate program, so anyone that you refer any of their sales, you earn 30% as well. So that can really add up to a lot of residual income. So let me just show you Here you can see all the different blogs that you could make. And there's just so many things in here. Another thing that you can do with Builderall is you could build blogs and websites and sales funnels for businesses. Like, let's say you know someone who is a realtor and they need a funnel built, they need an email follow-up series. You can do that for them, and then they would have their own Builderall account, and you would be earning residual income from them every single month. You could go out and help a lot of different businesses that way. You can see all these different types of businesses here: travel agency, teacher, daycare. A lot of people do not have a website and they need one, and so it's very easy for you to do this and to help out businesses. So let me just show you the affiliate part right here. It's going to tell you all about Builderall. So it has all these videos that you can go through and really educate yourself on the company and what exactly is Builderall and how do you make money with it. Okay, so then it also has 30 days that you can go out and promote this on social networks or wherever you want to, and it has content for each post for 30 days as well as an image. And then this has email swipes here that you can download. And then these are all your funnels that you use for your marketing. You would connect to your domain here. And they have videos in here for everything that, it's not difficult to figure out. It's just getting in here and going through things. But, okay, let's see. The training for affiliate marketing. You're going to have your basic, that's when you first come in, and then the intermediate, you have to have at least 3 leads. The advanced, you have to have at least 10 leads to even access it, because they don't want you jumping way ahead to try to do things that you don't know what you're doing yet. But you can see that this is the 90-day challenge, and Chad is going to walk you through exactly how to get started, what to do, what not to do, how to promote, how to get your first sale, how to track people on Facebook, and then how to use YouTube, keyword research, how to rank your video, how to upload it, how to get traffic, free traffic from Quora, and then the 90-day challenge, how to promote that. So that's the training in there, and I wanted to show you just the, let's see here, just the earnings potential, earnings calculator. Okay, so again, it's a 2-tier affiliate program. So let's just say, how many licenses can you sell in 1 year? I think it wouldn't be difficult to sell 100, but let's just say, especially when you learn how to do solo ads and really how to market, it wouldn't be difficult, but let's just say 50. You can see your monthly residual income would be $748, and this is something that people will keep because they're using it to build their business. You can use it for ClickBank. I'm using it for ClickBank, just all different kinds of affiliate programs as a sales funnel to build your email list. And then since it's 2-tier, like maybe out of 50 people, maybe 10 of those would actually want to be an affiliate. And then of those 10, maybe half of them, or maybe even like just 2 of them would promote this, and make sales. Your monthly residual income would be over $1,000. Okay, so you can see, of course, the more that they sell, the more your income will go up. And then even if you had more affiliates that were promoting this, you can see how your income, your residual income can really, really go up. So this is a really powerful compensation plan, and it's something where, again, people will keep it because they're using it for their business. And then there's all different kinds of ways that you can use it for brick and mortar businesses or things, even online businesses. There's a lot of people that know they need to have a lead capture page and email follow-up series, but you can do that for them. And then this will be hosted. You can even set up a blog for them. And then again, they would have the account that you would be earning residual income on. Okay, so I would recommend Builderall as a product, but also as an affiliate program. It's a very lucrative compensation plan. And if you decide that you want to become an affiliate with Builderall and join through my affiliate link, I have two bonuses. The first one is, this is Chad. He is, again, he got promoted to he got the job as the marketing officer with the whole company of Builderall, and this is his training site that you'll have access to just as a part of his team. And what you get is he's going to show you how to earn $2,000 a month residual promoting Builderall, how to get to that, getting your links. This done for you funnel has a webinar that he did that you can promote. Email marketing masterclass funnel, how to get leads and sales with solo ads, free traffic promotion on Facebook, direct messaging and Skype call scripts, YouTube, Facebook ads, promoting niche funnels, and that's how you would get you would make money through helping people online have their own sales funnels, or offline brick and mortar businesses. He shows you how to do that. Sharing funnels for sales strategy, building websites for people, free traffic method, and then how to make a full-time income using Builderall tools, picking your niche, and this is just building your sales funnel, creating headlines, Facebook traffic again, Messenger bot sequence example, diversifying and scaling. So that's the first bonus you would get. And then the second one is with Marissa Romero. She is someone who's really done well with YouTube marketing and does this full-time now. She's able to travel the world. I think she's in Colombia right now. She calls herself the digital nomad. But this is her tube traffic domination course. I've been through this. It's absolutely really good course. The secret sauce nobody knows about that teaches you how to get red hot leads into your business every single day for free. And you're going to learn the exact steps to generate high quality leads that are already looking for your product or offer, how to grow a massive following and attract hungry buyers into your business on autopilot, and how a beginner can leverage YouTube algorithm and strategies to optimize it. And besides those two bonuses, you'll also be added to our Facebook mastermind group. So those are really great value for what you're getting here, besides the product that you can use to promote your ClickBank offers or whatever affiliate program that you're with. So I'm going to leave a link to get started in the description below this video. If you found value in the best affiliate programs for beginners, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave a comment below this video. And the way that you will get your bonuses is I'll leave a link to my Facebook profile, and you'll just message me there. And once I find out, that you have purchased the program, then I will send you your bonuses. So that's it for this video. I hope you found value. And again, if you are new to the channel and you want to learn more about these topics, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. If you want to get started with Builderall, make sure you click the first link in the description below this video. With that being said, this is Karen Marrow signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.